In this video, I'm going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to open the Instagram application. Then click on your profile picture here at the right. Then scroll down. Just scroll down until you see this place for archiving and downloading. Click on it. Then make sure that save story to archive is toggled like this. It's toggled on. Okay. Then go back. Go to your home page once again. Then refresh your Instagram application. Then click on your profile picture once again. Click on the home button. Okay, click on the arrow back button. Then click on the three bars at the top. Okay, then scroll down until you see this place for archive. Click on it. Then click on the three dots at the top here. Then click on create highlight. Then choose any story here. It will not be posted because they're already archived. Just choose anything here. Then click next. Then write anything. You can write hello there. Then click done. With this, you'll be able to add a highlight on Instagram without posting on your story. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.